welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making a rosemary zucchini bread, and it's got olive oil in it, which is fabulous for our joints. So we take wet ingredients and dry, and we just blend it all together. So we're gonna start off with some almond flour. Then we've got some coconut flour. And then we've got some baking powder and freshly chopped rosemary. Just gonna mix them together. Okay, now we're gonna take our wet ingredients. Now we take fresh zucchini and we grate it. I grate it in a paper towel and then I squeeze it so it gets out all the liquid. So we're gonna pop some of that in our bowl. We're gonna put some eggs in it. This is gluten-free because there's no flour. Some olive oil and some maple syrup. We're going to mix all that up together. And we're going to add the wet to the dry. I put it in either you grease a pan, a silicone pan, or a pan with some parchment paper. And then we're just going to top the zucchini bread with some fresh pumpkin seeds. Oops. But you want to push them down a little bit so they'll stick. Now mine are already roasted, but you probably can you just use some raw ones. Just squish them in a little bit. And we're just gonna, so we're gonna bake it, and we're gonna come back and show you what it looks like when it's finished. So it's cooked, it's done, it looks delicious, it smells amazing. That rosemary is beautiful. It's all finished. You can see it smells beautiful. The rosemary is lovely. Just let it cool before you flip it over or it will collapse. And there you have it, a rosemary zucchini bread. Enjoy.